I am here to help you increase your mobility, your flexibility, and your strength to give you that athletic edge with little tweaks that can make a huge difference in your performance, whatever sport that you do. While performing pull-ups, there's a possibility you might be feeling elbow pain. Now, why would you feel elbow pain during a pull-up? Well, the reason could be, there could be other factors, but one of them is that your scapula might not be moving as it should, meaning protraction and retraction. So we're going to review that right now. I'm going to turn around so you can see my scapula, my shoulder blades. So when you reach forward, the shoulder blades come apart. So I'm reaching forward, my shoulder blades come apart. And then when I bend my elbows and squeeze the elbows toward each other, they retract. So forward, protract, pull back, retract. Now let's add it a little bit more. So reaching up, pretend I'm doing a pull-up, reaching up, you're protracting, and then retracting. One more, reaching up and retracting. Now I'm going to show you in another way how you can work this as well in quadruped, because you really want to feel that full range of motion so that you can pull yourself up in the pull-up without it going right into the elbow. So coming into quadruped, spreading the fingers, and I'm going to start with cat pose first. So push straight arms round, let the head go, the shoulder blades are coming apart. So you're protracting, and then curling the toes and lifting your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades toward each other into retracting. One more, protracting and cat, let the head go, push, and curl the toes, lift the heart of the chest, stick out the butt, retract. So pull those shoulder blades toward each other and look up. So these are just two ideas that you can play with to work on moving your scapula appropriately as it should, especially when you're adding body weight such as a pull-up. So give it a try. Comment below and just put pull-up and let me know if you've tried this and there's any difference. And remember, I'm here to help you increase your mobility, your flexibility, your strength to give you that athletic edge with those little tweaks that can make a huge difference in your performance in whatever sport you do.